It's your boy, uh, truck driver? I don't know. I'm back at it again though, drifting. This is the drift truck again, but this time it's got more power again. Well, I've been complaining about the power in the last video, so I upped it up and you know how it's been. Although I just upped the PSI, that's it. But yeah, that's how it goes, man. Up the PSI and that's it. Not multiplayer, but this time I'm just on, testing grounds. See what I can do. And it's pretty slow, but that's what you get for like this kind of truck. Oh my god, it's so heavy. You can barely keep this stable, man. In a straight line, I mean. Man, it is still farting. Like the last time I drifted this thing, it was like farting. Now it's still farting. Because Tonismo was a lazy person. Not really lazy, he's hard at work, but you know, no time to deal with this kind of stuff. I must say though, this really likes to drift now. Alright, let's give it the old treatment of drifting then. Handbrake all the way in, clutch kick maybe. Nope, you can't do that. Alright, stop. Stop it right there. First thoughts on this thing. Heavy comes to mind. Heavy, very heavy. This car is indeed, it's not even a car, it's a truck. What am I saying? It's very heavy. No grip as per usual, but you know, that's what a lot of drift cars and trucks are. No grip, just drift everywhere, oversteer. The main point is you're gonna want to oversteer everything with this kind of stuff. So let's try that route again, but this time coming in from the left. I'll switch to right, handbrake into the left right there for the corner. Do it for the corner, not the vine. There we go, off the dirt right there. Switch it back to the right. Go back to the left, stable it out. Nope. Let's keep going to the right for a while and then back to the left. Use the clutch, although that doesn't really help. Oh my god. Yeah, you can see where it has no grip sometimes. Oh god. Put it back down to second. Try for third. Let's see. Can this thing do me justice? Alright. Come on. It needs to rev bang. Ah. Spun out right there. Not good at taking tight corners, but still. Let's just keep going, see what we can do here. See what magic we can make up. Come on. Drift. Come on. You got it. Ow. Sometimes you gotta lay off the throttle. Yep, there you go. Come on, uphill. Come on. Yeah. Just like that. Put it back down a second. Illegal U-turn. Thank you, Tonismo, for this toge. At least somewhat of a toge. Alright. Well, it's a drift track nonetheless. This is what I do, I drift on to you. Yeah, right here. Going down. That was bad, but I still hit the dirt and let's go. Into that first corner. Very sharp though. I'll release that throttle and after that step back on it. Ah, no. See, the map doesn't accurately say where I am anymore. It used to say where you are on the map, but now it's just a black void. Oh god. I hit the wall. Ow. My everything. And I spun out. Well, great. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This thing is more about control, not power. Even though I said power earlier. It's not about power. It's about the control. And handbrake. Putting down some of that power onto the gas, but not all of it. Switch it back to fourth. Come on. And go to the left. To the right now. Come on. Give me it, baby. Right here. Yeah. And donezo. Right back onto the drag strip. I gotta say though, this thing is very heavy. As heavy as the R32 is, I think trucks are heavier. Kind of obvious, kind of not, but you know how it is. Put some street brakes on this thing, maybe that's why I wasn't drifting so well. Although then again, I never put on the pro brakes, so that could make a bit more sense. I just shift into fourth, just get it all the way there first. Maybe into fifth. Maybe I should just up the final drive of this thing so I wouldn't just... Alright. I got that throttle, handbrake. Nope, 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 nope. Ah. Alright then, don't want to cooperate with me? Let's go. Ah, frick. It drifts even when not in drift mode. But only on the dirt, it's just doing that on the dirt. Let's go back. I'll try and make a clean drift. I'll try and make a clean drift here. Don't have anything going wrong. I'm that good of a drifter, I can do it in one take. Now shut up. Let's see how we go. Alright, some burnouts right there. Let's go, let's go. So yeah. Go into fourth, go to the right. Now slowly on the left. Not too much, not too much. Now. So yeah. Rev bang, rev bang. Yeah. Taking this first corner like a champ. Bit twitchy though. Let's clean it up. Go to the right now. Okay. So yeah. Keep it like this. Brakes. By the way, you do have to use your brakes during a drift. Sometimes. Come on. Keep them wheels spinning. Don't let them stop. Third gear drifting all the way. We got it, we got it. To the right. Now to the left. Back to the right. Up the hill to the left. And since this is supposed to be a drift run, we're doing the downhill as well, even though it's flat ground. Come on, power. Yes, we still have that power. Still wheel spinning. Down the hill we go. Come on. You know you want to. No lights. Can't see. Drifting in the dark here. Doing it in one take. Come on. Give it to me. Brakes. A bit twitchy. But it's alright. We're doing it in one take. Drifting on the outside. Like how drifters do. Right there. Come on. We have in the fourth. Come on, we're going for this brightly lit right corner, right here, right curve, whatever you want to call it. Swing it to the left, then back to the right. Not too much of a right though. Otherwise we won't have enough drift left. Go left again, go back to the right. Come on. Come on, third gear, third gear. Maintain that third gear. I say hop 2, 3, 4, hop 2, 3, 4. Alright. That's enough. And spent. That was great. That was amazing. Actually happened in the first take. Oh my god. Guess either drifting in this game is not too hard or like I'm amazingly skilled or something. Probably the first one though. I wouldn't be that skilled. I don't do a freaking, I can't do a can block, but I can drift a truck. By the way, the specs are the normal AK engine, but I just put the turbocharger inside along with the 30 psi wastegate, and that's all, folks. Whew, driving this thing was a freaking mess.